things first, I appreciate your support. So if you have a front load washing machine that won't drain water, basics: if you open the drain filter but it won't drain water, but you can feel the pump running, or you won't hear a humming sound from the pump, then this is what we do. We open the front panel, which is this one, then we access the main hose to check if there's a blockage here. So let's get into it. We remove the hose. This is the drain hose. We remove this clip that holds the pipe that goes to the sensor. Then we pull this down like that. Then let's remove these 3 screws here. So we remove this one. We remove this one. Then there's one over here. Keep them safe. Good. Then once that is done, be careful with the cables, and then push it inside, then we get it out. There we go. So just to be clear, I'm removing the entire casing so that in case there's something stuck on the pump, we remove it, and then we return the pump. That is a socks. So here the pump is clear from the inside. That's the propeller that pumps water out, so that one is clear. Then you just want to ensure that this one is clean and clear. You can see from the inside. So I'm going to clean this, remove the pump clean, and then fit it back. So if it's not draining from here, because the filter fits here, so if it's not draining from here, manual draining, after removing this, then there's something here. So if this one is clear, then you have to replace the drain pump. If you are unlucky, even after unblocking, you'll have to unblock the machine, replace the drain pump, because most of the time what happens is that propeller becomes loose and starts making noise, or it breaks, it detaches from the main motor. So that one you'll have to replace it, which is quite on a high, avoidable. Just to watch what you put in your washing machine before you do laundry. And this is what I mean. Most washing machines have this gap here, the gap from here to here. So when the machine is on a high spin and there's a small garment in here, what happens, it gets there. So imagine this thing running at let's say 1400 or 1200 or even 400 revolution per minute. That's high speed, so it goes in there. So if you are lucky, it comes through here, then to the hose. If you are lucky enough, it will get out through here. If you're not lucky, it will get stuck in the drum, so the drum won't move. So you'll have to call a technician to come dissect the drum into 2. You see, remove this, remove what is clogged in there, then return, which is quite costly because this some big job. It takes time to get it done and cleaned, so don't play yourself.